Hey everyone, Chris at Diesel Power Products, and on today's Boost It, we have from Fleece Performance a map sensor spacer for the L5P Duramax, so 17 to 24 currently. So your map sensor sits right on top of your intake, and that is going to read boost levels, and due to the EGR flow, it likes to cake up with a bunch of soot, which is going to throw off, and it may even throw you in lit mode or throw codes. So Fleece has come out with this map sensor spacer, which is going to move that map sensor up out of the flow of the EGR, so it's going to keep that thing nice and clean through the life of the truck. It comes with everything you need to install. It shouldn't take you more than like 5 to 10 minutes to throw these on, and it's just going to guarantee that you're not going to have any issues with that map sensor. So if you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us on our site via chats or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.